Hanji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are at Zander's Hot Chicken in Somerset, New Jersey, Route 27. Let's see how it is. Zander's Hot Chicken. It's newly opened. So we just came out of Zander's Hot Chicken, which is right at Route 27, Somerset. We ordered Nashville hot chicken, loaded fries, and 2 chicken tenders and kale slaw. So on the whole, the prices are very reasonable. Customer service very awesome. Somehow this guy came. I didn't know that this person, but I saw him from my masjid. So he's our local guy. So I don't know. He opened a restaurant and he was telling me that I have seen you somewhere. So I told him that I've seen you in my masjid. Anyways, I don't know him at all, but customer service very awesome. Now talking about the food, very delicious, very tasty. The Nashville sandwich we ordered was very awesome, same as the loaded fries as well as the chicken tenders. The best thing is that they have most of them, they have like Mexican drinks. They do have Pepsi, Coke, and they will be very soon boycotting that. I suggested them and they said yes, you are right. So hopefully in future you might not see any this Coke, Pepsi, 7-Up, but on the whole very amazing experience. The ambience is 8 out of 10. It's a very new restaurant. Taste obviously 8 out of 10, and prices again 8 out of 10. So must visit, must come, must try to this Zander's Hot Chicken. And whatever I ordered, I asked them what is your specialty. This is what they told me: the Nashville hot chicken sandwich, the loaded fries, and the chicken tenders. So very good. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.